Ancient and fancy. Today I'll show you exactly how we forged the jet age and hand-built America's ultimate luxury glempire.
Pan American World Airways announced the flight departure of 222 to Heathrow. All first-class passengers may now board.
Here is the lobster thermidor. Set it here by the champagne. We are ready for the next tray.
Welcome aboard. We're so glad to have you.
Thank you, it's marvelous. I still can't believe we're flying on the Clipper. Welcome aboard, sir. We'll be taking off shortly.
Let me help you find your seat.
Welcome to the upper deck lounge, sir. May I get you a drink?
Thank you. It's quite impressive up here. I must say, this vintage is superb.
It truly is. Cheers. This service is truly unparalleled, wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. It reminds me of the golden age of travel.
And would the gentleman care for a slice of the roast beef?
Yes, that looks absolutely perfect, thank you.
Set takeoff power, please.
Power is set. 8.
And that is the incredible engineering, glamour, and passion it took to build the world's most experienced airline.
If you loved reliving the golden age of luxury flying, hit that subscribe button right now for more incredible mega factory tours.